Hi, I'm Dr. Kai from Beijing, China. I'm happy to share my experience in total joint replacement and the story with AK Medical. Here is my disclosure information. Now, I'm a consultant with AK Medical. I work in Peking University Third Hospital. Our hospital was founded in 1958. The first test tube baby of mainland China was born in our hospital. We have the top 3 orthopedic department, the top 1 sports medicine center, and we performed over 9,000 spine surgeries and 2,200 total joint replacement per year. This is our family in orthopedic department. We are top 3 in China. We have 74 doctors and researchers, 276 beds, and we have 3 divisions: spine, joint, and trauma. I'm a hip and knee surgeon. Now I served as Deputy Director of Orthopedics. I performed more than 300 total knee and hip joint replacement per year. Here is my field of research. Includes design and development of artificial joint processes. I do the basic and clinical research in metal 3D printing and development of intelligent auxiliary surgical tools for artificial joints. Actually, I'm a doctor who grew up with AK Medical. When AK Medical was founded in 2003, I was still a young surgeon. I carried out clinical trial and follow-up results for the first generation AK knee system. In 2008, when AK launched his second generation JPX knee system, I have served as a consultant of AK Medical and joined AK College as a lecturer. In 2015, when AK Medical got registration of his first metal 3D printing product in China, I have become a major player and designer. In 2016, AK Medical got another 2 spine implants of 3D printing. I was first time visit GRI in 2015. I was deeply impressed with GRI's history and the coating technique. I'm glad to witness the growth of AK Medical. At the beginning, we had to develop the processes based on already proven design. When we have a certain experience, we decided to take the road of our own research and development. In order to adapt to Chinese market, we developed a series of processes from primary to revision and tumor. Now, not only could AK innovate its own processes independently, but also has more than 300 patents, obtained CE and FDA certifications. I believe AK Medical meets the international standards on product and instrument design. AK Medical is a global orthopedic innovator, especially in 3D printing and customized implants. He makes a lot of contribution to treat severe spine, joint, and tumor disease. We have performed the world's first axial vertebrae body, the 19 centimeter long stroke lumbar implants, and hundreds of pelvic tumor processes. AK Medical also established customization standards in China. In 2020, we received 2 customized certifications from National Medical Product Administration. In our perfect and mature ICOS platform, engineers will start modeling and planning after they received the CT data from the hospital. When the surgeon confirmed the final plan, AK will deliver the customized implants and instruments immediately. The whole processes only take 1 to 2 weeks. In the early stage of the 21st century, there were a few imported implants with expensive price and limited options. But the demands of total joint replacement increased rapidly based on the huge population. So the company and I have the same purpose, developing domestic products. After years' cooperation, we build the same values, such as accessibility, quality, and innovation. In hip field, coating technology was the weakness of AK. JRI's extraordinary coating technology and a long history attracted us. After years of cooperation, we finally have the opportunity to acquire JRI to fix our weakness. Now, AK Medical has entered more than 30 countries, including Asia Pacific, South America, Eastern Europe, and Africa. I believe the new technique skills will help AK broaden its global market. The A3 system was launched in 2012, and the A3 GT system was launched in 2016 in China. It has 12 femoral sizes. Each size increased in AP by an average of 2.3 millimeters, increased in ML by an average of 2.6. The narrow anterior flange could reduce the femoral overhang. The A3 GT is an interchangeability system. You can choose femoral size or tibia size independently based on the patient's anatomy. The anatomic tibia can provide better cortical coverage, improve prosthesis stability, and avoid subsidence. It can help to correct malrotation, reduce the risk of patellar subluxation as well. We can provide CR, AS, PS, and PS Plus inserts for surgical options. We redesigned the A3 GT instrument system based on measured resection and posterior referencing technique. The femoral distal resection guide was easy to adjust the valgus angle from 0 to 9 degrees. The femoral sizer is posterior referencing. You can adjust the external rotation from 0 to 7 degrees. It can provide 2 millimeters anteriorly or posteriorly. The 4-in-1 cutting blocks becomes smaller and lighter. The femoral trial is all-in-one design, and you can use the 4-box resection. We provide 3 different insert trials. You can make a decision with CR, CS, or PS during the operation. The tibia cutting guide is smart, lighter, and more stable. This is AK Medical knee families. We have partial knee, A3 GT for primary knee, ACCK for revision, AHK for ligament deficiency patient, AMRS for tumor patients. We have 3D printed pillar, MBS, sleeve, cone, customized augments for different bone deficiency. The A3 and A3 GT knee occupies the largest Chinese market share. It has been used in more than 2,300 hospitals. In last September, China conducted a VBP on joint implants. AK Medical ranks number 1 in hip and knees. The total volume submitted by all the hospitals is more than 100,000 per year. Among these, the knee system will be 30,000 cases. The A3 system was used in my hospital from 2014. Now we have performed more than 1,000 cases of A3. We have the A3 GT in 2022. I have more than 60 cases experience about GT. We do have some middle-term follow-up about A3 system. It has shown the same good clinical function scores and survivorships compared to the imported processes. But since the A3 GT hasn't been used for long, so we only have short-term follow-up. Now, I'd like to share a short version surgical video of GT.
通常你可以先追一下啊，追一下的目的就是让你开髓的时候位置更准确。这个工具是一个锥形的啊，所以通常你可以开髓达到这个我们的刻度线就可以了啊。通常可以。但对于有些病人，你可以扩得更大一点点，这样。电以前的时候已经量过了，所以它是6度啊。我们可以看到这是，对，这是左腿，所以我们选择的是6度。术前我测量的时候是6度。那我们股骨远端的截骨是9啊，所以我们要把它，这是9毫米，所以我们都是用红色的标记来显示出来啊。这时候你再确认一下你的股骨远端的这个板是不是贴合在这个骨头上。如果贴合了以后，确认完以后，你就可以打入这个螺钉。它可以固定的更来控制住，再确认是左腿6度，远端截骨是9毫米，可以了，确认你的截骨量的大小，截骨量是合适的，那么就。好，现在我们从截骨的结果看起来呢，截骨量是够的啊，所以呢，这个时候我们就可以把螺钉都给它拔除了，对，我们把它自动放上去以后呢，它会自动夹住这个踝关节，然后我们调整它一下它的高度。对，调整一下高度。好，那么首先我们看到这个是有3度的后倾的，它自带3度后倾。那么第一步，我们拿镰刀来，镰刀片。对，简单的方法，你可以通过镰刀片来观察它后倾的角度，可以和自己的胫骨平塌的后倾来进行比对。一般来讲，我们建议，差不多和生理的后倾一致就可以了这个时候呢，你已经确定了它的后倾。如果你觉得后倾不合适的话，我们可以来前后调整。如果合适的时候呢，我们就把它后倾放在这个位置来。这时候我们就需要一颗螺钉，这个钉子呢，就和我刚才的胫骨的旋转轴线是一致的我们把它钉上去。它的方向是完全按照我刚才的这个方向钉的。好，这样的话呢，这个架子已经被控制住了那么你也可以去来看它是不是和胫骨脊平行，和第2折骨的长轴来平行这都是可以。这个时候我们再决定它的截骨量来。那这个笔针呢，非常便于在上面旋转所以呢，我们可以看到它可以在各个角度去旋转，片来看内侧的截骨量是多少在术前我测量过，这个病人呢将能截到内侧，正好是一个标准的截骨量的位置。好，如果截骨量合适，我们就用螺钉把它固定就行了。那么我们改变了这3个螺钉的这个位置，这3个螺钉之间呢是成一定的角度的所以呢这样的话呢就使得我们不再需要去把这个螺钉拔掉，就能够很好的控制住这个，那么我们就可以直接来进行截骨了，打板了那么你可以随意的增加2毫米或者减少2毫米的截骨你可以保留这个架子，也可以把它拿掉如果增加2毫米或者减少2毫米都可以在这上面进行 全伸直，然后我们可以看它内外翻是相对是比较平衡的。这时候呢，我们可以考虑把这2个钉子拔掉，我们可以不再需要更多的接骨。来，好，立线杆。对，我们现在可以使用立线杆来观察你的立线是不是准确啊，在踝关节背伸的情况下，当然你需要摸到这个从道理上来讲，应在股骨头的中心啊，但这股骨头中心看不见啊，所以当你如果不能确定，你也可以采用透视的方式，可以增加或者减少后髁的截骨量，也可以确定它是左腿还是右腿，它的外旋是从1度到7度之间是可以调整的啊，对。好，钉子来。好，行。好，这个时候我们也可以通过这个镰刀片来看我们有没有出现切迹的情况。如果前翼的截骨量，你要想调整这个假体往前方还是往后方，有一个专门设计的工具可以给你提供2毫米的前后，可以1毫米或者2毫米。当然这个工具它也可以提供外旋角度的调整。比如说我刚才觉得现在这个外旋角度感觉太大了啊，那我想怎么样还要把它减小一些外旋角度？你可以在这个工具上可以减小1度或者2度的外旋。你刚才你咔啦咔啦的那种，这样，好，继续来，等等。这个股骨的饰体呢是不分左右的啊。现在我们做磕接，轻轻敲。当然，这个因为它不分左右，所以这个翼有可能会对我们的这个髌骨的轨迹判断有一定的影响啊，因为它是不分左右，这个地方是多出来一块啊，所以对我们的髌骨轨迹会有一点判断影响啊。用10的稳定性还是可以的，伸直呢还可以，对，这个骨架体只能通过这个方式来感受。好，好，三角翼，对，是的。对，对，好的。来，胫骨假体来。
你2分钟后放到这里。
好，小刮勺。锤子，危险的，对。好，没事。对，我们先把它放进去以后，要让这个垫片到位，啊，到位以后你才可以把它拿出来，然后再调45度，45度，哎，对。
These are my cases about using A3 GT ACCK for simple and complex primary surgery and knee revisions. There are two trends in the current Chinese market. First, due to the aging population, the number of potential patients has increased rapidly, and the price of domestic prostheses has dropped sharply after VBP. So the process of import substitution is accelerating. Secondly, the intelligent technologies has made a breakthrough in the artificial joints. More and more Chinese surgeons are willing to learn these new technologies. In order to keep up with the changing trends, AK Medical also entering the field of intelligent orthopedics. The AK navigation and robotics will be available next year. Finally, I hope that AK Medical can strengthen international training and education, carry out international cooperation in R&D for innovative products, and I look forward to cooperating with all of you in the future. Thank you for your time.